Hi, I'm Randy Taylor. I'm the general manager of OutBack Power. When I looked at OutBack Power, to me, it felt like a really unique opportunity to lead a company and a brand that is associated with exceptional renewable energy solutions. The technology that they brought to market has such a passionate community of users. And it excited me because I got to be a part of revitalizing and bringing this company that was one of the original leaders in the energy access and renewable space. I think of that legacy as our greatest strength. For over 20 years, Outback has been known to and trusted to be in some of the most rural and harshest environments on the planet. Our goal is to take that rugged, dependable solutions that we've provided and infuse it with modern innovation so that we're creating smarter systems. We're looking at ways that we can create a product roadmap that meets distributors and installers where they live and how they support their end users. And we want to continue to provide that reliability in our solutions as we move forward. So Outback Power is back. We're just getting started. This is a new day for the Outback Power team and our brand that brings grit and purpose and a real clear mission into what we want to do in the renewable space. We're here to serve and to innovate with our product set that has been tested by time.